Would you love to know the absolute best hair accessory for working out? Hi, I'm Paula Ram, and today I am super excited to announce a brand new hair accessory that is perfect for working out, for gardening, for swimming, for all kinds of activities that will not budge. You can do a high ponytail, it will not budge. It is super grippy, it's easy to put in, easy to take out, and I'm going to show it to you today. So first, what you don't want is the hair tie, the ponytail elastic. You know the problems with this. This is what most ladies use when they work out or garden, right? They put their hair up in a ponytail and it doesn't quite, it slips out, and then when it's time to take it out, it just pulls out half your hair, right? It's not good for your hair. It damages it, pulls it out, right? This is pitiful, right? So we've been waiting for a much better solution, okay? Now, Lilla Rose is known for its flexi clips, all right? Or these are what I love, the traditional classic flexi clips. Okay, these you can do, they come in 7 sizes, and you can do all kinds of different hairstyles. It's super comfortable, but as you can see, they're pretty nice, right? And so I would hesitate, going out in the swimming pool or gardening, and I get filthy when I go out gardening. I get covered in dirt, right? And you kind of think twice about wearing your nice classic flexi clip to do those activities. All right, so it was super exciting. After years, this has been in the development for years, right? Finding the right material that would hold, that would be easy to take in, easy to take out, durable, and it's finally here. It's called the Flexi Sport, all right? The Flexi Sport, because it's so great for so many activities. And it's made out of this really grippy thermoplastic material that's bendy. In the middle is piano wire that is very flexible. See, so it'll wrap around your hair. And the grippy material means that even in fine or slippery hair, it will not slide out. So you can do a super high ponytail, go running, go do your workout, go swimming, and it'll stay right there. It's super awesome. And one clip can do multiple different sizes or different types of hair or hairstyles, because as you can see, this pin, okay, it has notches on each side, okay, so the pin is shaped this way if you want a larger size. If you have thicker hair, or you want to do more like a bun or a French twist, you'll want to do that. Okay, now if you have thinner, finer hair, or just doing a half up, right, you just take this pin, you flip it around. Now see, since like that, there's not as much room there, which means it's a lot tighter and snugger. So ladies who have trouble with hair clips sliding out of their thin, fine, slippery hair are going to love this, okay? This is not moving. This is very grippy. I wish you could feel it. It's very grippy. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use it, okay? Now my hair is pretty thick, so what I normally wear the Sport for, again, I wear it swimming, I wear it gardening, I would wear it working out if I worked out. I'm getting there. I'm going to start working out. So once I do it, but the ladies who run and jog, they love this, okay? So all you have to do is just gather your hair in a ponytail, okay? You take this, just put the pin underneath the ponytail, all right, and then wrap the top around and put the pin in the loop on the other side, okay? Now see, it's not going anywhere. You can jog, you can run, it's not going anywhere. It is awesome. And what a lot of ladies love this for is the high ponytail, okay? All right, so let me show you too. There's also, right now it comes in 3 colors: black, the turquoise blue, and the purple lavender color, which is pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna use it in the turquoise color so you can see it better on camera, and I'm gonna do a high ponytail so you can see what that is like, okay, and how it is not moving, okay? You can do low ponytail, high ponytail, all kinds of things, okay? But for working out, most ladies like the high ponytail, okay? And you just gather it all up. Again, just the pin under, wrap the top around, and put it in, okay? Not going anywhere. Now, this is the best part, because as you remember with the hair tie, the ponytail elastic, what happens when you take it out? It takes out half your hair with it, right? Not comfortable, not good for your hair. Okay, now watch how easy it is to take out the Flexi Sport, okay? You can do it with one hand even. You take one hand, you just pull the pin out, and it's loose. No hairs were sacrificed to take out your ponytail. It is so comfortable. It's very lightweight, which also makes it very, very comfortable. Okay, so again, I'm gonna do a half up, show you how to do a half up in this, okay? So I'm going to flip the pin around, okay, so that it's tighter, because I don't have as much hair up in the half up, okay? So take the pin, go along the scalp, go across the top, and secure it. You see mosquitoes in there. Okay, and there is the half up. And again, I can shake my head, I can go jogging, running, I can go jump on the trampoline, I can go weed all I want, and it's not going to fall out. And again, when I garden, it gets super dirty, and all you have to do is just go rinse it off with water or soap and water, and it's good to go. You're not going to ruin it. And if you have metal allergies, and maybe you haven't been able to wear the traditional classic Flexi, you're going to love this because there's no metal showing, right? There's inside to help it bend, but on the outside there's no metal. So if you have a nickel allergy, any metal allergy, you're going to love this, okay? Now, the reversible pin is kind of like, now the classic Flexi doesn't have a reversible pin. It goes like that and you get different sizes. The Flexi FLIP is one. If you haven't seen the Flexi FLIP yet, this is beaded as well, but this is one where it can do 3 different sizes by flipping the pin. And this is what the Sport was designed after. So you can get several sizes from one clip. But again, if you don't want to wear the beaded one and get it all dirty or sweaty, right, this is perfect. Perfectly waterproof, easily to wash, it won't get stinky or yucky, and you don't have to feel bad about wearing it in any situation. So I encourage you guys to try a Flexi Sport out today. Just try it out, and you are going to love it, right? You can put it up, go jogging, go work out, go garden, go swim. It's not going anywhere. Super comfortable, easy to put in, easy to take out. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.